सफ़र पर निकलने से बनती हैं यादें, ये यादें ही उम्र भर चलती हैं आपके साथ। तो चलें कुछ और यादें बनाने।
Hi guys,
How are you doing?
welcome to Green Travelers. This is Varsha.
This is Mayur and we are at Mumbai airport. Where are we heading?
Pondi.
We are heading to Pondicherry, correct. We are heading to Chennai actually, and from Chennai we are gonna drive to Pondicherry, and this is a 4-day vacation for us. Yay! We are so happy that we are getting time to find these small breaks to explore whatever we can, because our motto is to explore, to travel, and here we are.
Cheers to Pondi.
Cheers to Pondicherry. We arrived at the airport early and coffee enjoy करने के बाद this is time to board the flight. So मुंबई चेन्नई सेक्टर फ्लाइट प्राइस इज़ अराउंड 5000 अगर आप लास्ट मोमेंट पे बुकिंग करते हैं, एंड इफ़ यू बुक लिटिल इन एडवांस इट मे कॉस्ट यू 2 to 3000 also. And here we arrive. सो हमने चेन्नई पौंडीचेरी के लिए टैक्सी एक दिन पहले ही बुक कर ली थी. आई विल पुट द कॉन्टैक्ट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. सो वी गॉट अ वेरी रीजनेबल एंड अ गुड कार विद नो हैसल एट ऑल. सो चेन्नई पौंडीचेरी इज़ अराउंड 160 to 170 किलोमीटर्स, और हमने लिया है ECR रोड विच इज़ कॉल्ड ईस्ट कोस्ट रोड, विच इज़ अलॉन्ग द बे ऑफ बंगाल कोस्ट लाइन. Apparently you can't see the coastline more than 2 minutes or something, but the road itself is really beautiful because रास्ते में जो पेड़ हैं और उनके जो bridges बन रहे हैं, it's really beautiful road. And my love for this beautiful sky, it's adding so much drama to it. एक नए शहर में नई जगह पे जाने की जो खुशी है वो कुछ और ही है. So this union territory, Puducherry, is bounded by the southern state of Tamil Nadu. और यहाँ की French colony is a perfect mix of traditional Indian sensibilities and French architect. This gives a very dreamy escape that offers the best of both worlds. I'm really excited. In around 2.5 hours, we were almost near Pondicherry. And we are staying in French colony, I mean to say White Town, at a place called Lee Duplex. Lee Duplex has been made celebrating the best of French architect in Pondicherry. This is named after the last governor of Pondicherry. This is a beautiful 2-story hotel with a courtyard. The restaurant is in the courtyard, and this is a very beautiful hotel. One thing you definitely feel is the rise in temperature. The current temperature right now is 32 degrees Celsius. And we are staying at second floor. Time to show you the room. इट वॉज ऑलरेडी लंच टाइम, सो हमने होटल से ही लंच ऑर्डर कर लिया और वी इंजॉयड आवर लंच इन दिस बालकनी विद दिस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. and that right there is the lighthouse. तो हम लोग निकल पड़े हैं पौंडीचेरी की गलियों में. So this French colony की ये by lanes are so beautifully lit up. There are many good places. Finally, we like this place, Eclipse.
But I was just guessing numbers and figures. Forever मैं क्या करूं, 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 मैं क्या.
After that beautiful live music along with our dinner, we are still not done for the day. We are heading to the beach. We just want to have a walk on this beach road and enjoy the vibes. और ये जो सामने दिख रहा है, this is the famous Lee Cafe, which is actually on the beach. Good morning guys, this is day 2 in Pondicherry, enjoying the beautiful lanes of Pondicherry, this French town. Right now we are heading to petrol pump ताकि हम लोग एक्टिवा में पेट्रोल भर सकें. So White Town में सब कुछ 3 to 4 kilometers के distance पे है. You can even walk down if you want to. And we are heading to Auroville. 20 minutes drive?
40 minutes.
40 minutes drive, okay. It's hot but let's enjoy. So Pondicherry to Auroville is just 12 kilometers drive. आपको लोकल बस भी मिल जाती है, पर हम लोग एक्टिवा से जा रहे हैं रोड्स और सिटी इंजॉय करते हुए. आई मस्ट से पौंडीचेरी में मैंने इतने पेड़ देखे हैं और इतने अच्छे पेड़ देखे हैं, लाइक दे गिव सो गुड शेड. द सिटी इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट बिकॉज ऑफ इट. सच ए क्लियर स्काई. ये देख के मुझे लद्दाख के स्काई की याद आ गई. राइट नाउ द टेम्परेचर इज़ 30+, बट बिलीव मी आई एम एंजॉइंग द राइड. So we have arrived at Auroville point where you can park your vehicle and you have to head towards the Maitri Mandir on this way. So Maitri Mandir यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर दूर है, जिसके लिए you need to walk. On your way you can read the history of the Auroville, like 1969, the first pioneers arrived. So Auroville is also called the City of Dawn. And what is Auroville? Auroville is universal township in the making for a population of up to 50,000 people from around the world. This is visitor center और मैत्री मंदिर यहाँ से थोड़ा और आगे है. But this is kind of the center for Auroville. So what you can do in Auroville is there are some workshop and therapies. You can join them. You can volunteer for some work. You can do an internship. You can come and stay also in Auroville. Also, you can join Auroville. All the information is given on their website. I'll put the link in the description. But this is definitely a must-visit place if you are in Pondicherry. Auroville wants to be the universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progressive harmony above all creeds, all politics and all nationality. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity. I've got this beautiful place to walk around and feel relaxed, feel one with the nature. This is really, really calm, soothing and beautiful all at once. And of course Auroville is much more than this, definitely. Nature is just another level. So we are heading towards the Maitri Mandir and you guys enjoy the views. this? And I'm gonna try that, and Mayur is trying that. And this ice cream shop. We just had some sandwiches here, and then we just winded up to head back to the hotel. So near that guest information center, there are some cafes, some boutiques, some ice cream shops where you can just sit, chill, enjoy, eat, drink, and even you can shop. There are few things which are actually manufactured in Auroville only, fragrances, then candles. So you can check out the stuff here. Overall, this is a beautiful place for a day trip. And this is their main canteen, the main cafe you can say. So we are heading back to our parking point. Here you are, beautiful sunset. No, I'm not driving, that's Mayur. इसी तरह इवनिंग राइड एंजॉय करते हुए हम लोग अपने होटल पहुंच गए। ऑरोविल से पौंडीचेरी के रास्ते में भी आपको बहुत अच्छे कैफ़ेज़ मिल जाएंगे इन केस यू वांट टू एंजॉय। सो वी हैड टू रिटर्न द एक्टिवा बाय 8, सो दैट्स द टाइम। और अब हम लोग खाना खाने के लिए, डिनर के लिए बाहर आए हैं। और आज मैं खाने वाली हूँ दाल चावल, और मयूर के लिए है रोगन गोश्त। और डेजर्ट तो पक्का बनता है आफ्टर अ लाइट डिनर, येस। सो वी आर ट्राइंग फालूदा आइसक्रीम।
This is good. उस दिन मैंने ना इंदौर में कुछ दिनों पहले बहुत ठंडाई,
हाँ,
ये ठंडाई से टेस्ट कर रहा है यार।
that was also rose flavor. This is also rose flavor.
I like it, Rose. Rose, if you're listening, I love you so much.
I captured that. Hi guys.
Hey, hi guys.
So this is kind of end of our second day in Pondicherry. और हमने बहुत मज़े किए 2 दिन, और अब तो बारिश हो रही है। You are seeing this road right here, and we are just waiting for the rain to finish, and so that we can kind of move to our hotel.
तो बहुत 2 दिनों में हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी मस्ती की है, and we are looking forward to 3rd and 4th day. Okay, so see you in the next vlog, second vlog.
Show some love. Please go share, like and subscribe to our channel. This is me, Varsha,
This is me, Mayu.
and we are signing off for today. And as always, whatever makes your soul happy, do
Do that.
और बारिश में भीगते हुए, और ये मयूर बचता हुआ, और मैं भीगती हुई। कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है।